My name's Aoife McCooey. I'm from Monaghan and I'm a county councillor and I'm also a trainee teacher. Being a young woman in politics, I see so many gaps in policy and gaps in services that aren't available to young women, and I think that the reason is because we're surrounded by men. It's a male-dominated field. It's predominantly men, and we can't expect them to know our needs or to care about them. So I think we need more young women in there to be able to represent the needs of other young women, other young people, and just women in general. I'm from County Monaghan, but more specifically I'm from right on the border, and I've got a very strong understanding of the importance of peace on our island. My dad's from the south and my mum's from the north, and I just really have that kind of deep ingrained border identity, and I think it's just wonderful that An Taoiseach has set up the Shared Island Unit, because projects and initiatives that come from that will have a huge benefit to people of the region.